Hello, welcome to the Learn Marathi with EHP. Today we are going to learn about greetings, how to greet someone in Marathi. So, to greetings we call it Abhivadan in Marathi. Greetings means Abhivadan. Abhivadan. So let's start what few greetings are there. First is how to say hello in Marathi. Hello, hi, how to say that is namaskar. Namaskar. You can see the English translation in below that word, that is namaskar. Hello means namaskar. Next is good morning. How to say good morning in Marathi, that is suprabhat. Suprabhat. Second is how to say good afternoon. Good afternoon means Shubha Dupar. Shubha Dupar. Shubha Dupar. Shubha means good. In Marathi, that is Shubha means good. Good afternoon. Shubha Dupar. How to say good evening in Marathi? That is similar to the good afternoon, that is Shubha Sandhya. Shubha Sandhya. Sandhya means evening. Shubha Sandhya. Next is good night. Good night. As we already know that good means Shubha and night means Ratri. So good night means Shubha Ratri. Shubha Ratri. One more thing about the greetings, that you can also say Shubha Prabhat. Shubha Prabhat to good morning, and also Suprabhat. Suprabhat. And one more thing is Shubha Sakal. Shubha Sakal. We will learn these things, extra things in our next lecture. Just repeat after me and try to understand and try to remember these all greetings, and try to remind if you can after me. So let's start whatever we have learned in this lecture. So start. Greetings means Abhivadan. Abhivadan. There is one more word for greetings, that is Shubhecha. Shubhecha. As we have learned about good means Shubha. Good means Shubha. Similar to that, greetings means good will, good wishes. Good wishes. Like Shubha Ichha. Good wish, Shubha Ichha, and the combination of those words is Shubhecha. We will learn this later, but still just remember these greetings, like good morning, good morning, Suprabhat, Suprabhat, good afternoon, good afternoon. What was that? Shubha Dupar. Shubha Dupar. R. Last is R. Dupar. Next, how to say good evening. What we have learned? Good evening means Shubha Sandhya. Shubha Sandhya. And last one is good night. How to say good night? That is Shubha Ratri. Shubha Ratri. Ratri.